What's up guys, Craig here, Bergie, JKU. I'm pretty excited about today because I am going to test out another Type S camera. If you look, I have a video of a different Type S camera. It was a 360, so you went in, you could do the front, you could do the cab at the same time, and you can like play around with it. It's pretty cool, but this one is a front 4K and a back 2.5K, and I'm pretty excited about it, so let's check it out. So yeah, let's take a look. This is what it looks like. This is the S402 Pro. I think I'm gonna put it just under my mirror. I went wheeling this weekend, and if you look at my mirror, oh my gosh, it's so dirty. So I need to clean that. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's really packaged well. This is the actual camera. Let's take a look. Oh, isn't that cool? It's pretty small, so I'm sure there's some sort of clip that'll go onto the dash. This will be the inside, so you can do, there's a camera inside the dash as well, so if you like doing what is it, carpool karaoke, this is the camera for you. But I'm going to pretty much use it for wheeling, and I also have dogs in the Jeep, so I like to use them. I like to get content for Instagram, all that sort of thing. But this is the 4K, and I'll leave this on until I actually place it, because I need to find a good spot for it. I think I'm going to put it right underneath my mirror. That way it's out of my way, but it's also low enough because I have stickers on my windshield. So that is the camera. Look at the accessories. So yeah, so you have directions, manual, make sure you read that. It probably won't, looks pretty straightforward. Warranty, your battery supply. I may actually hardline this in, I haven't decided yet. I may put it on accessory packs because I like to use my cigarette lighter for an outlet, but this is the power. This, you tape this to the windshield, and then this will slide in, lock into place, figure out where you want it, and then this, so you'll be able to just take the camera off with these two pieces, just like that. So you put this to the windshield, and then you will want this up like that, and you can move it up and down, spin it around if you want to go side to side. But I'm excited about this, so let's go ahead and set it up and figure out where I'm going to put it. First I'm going to clean the windshield, and then I'll play around with the placement. So let's see. Alright guys, got my windshield clean. I'm going to take this off. So now I need to figure out where I am going to put this. So the power is in the side, and this is where the micro SD card goes. Plugged in. So this side is 4K, and then the cab side is 2K. So right now it's on the outside. I'm going to place it just underneath my mirror. These little buttons along the bottom, so you can do picture in picture, so you can see both the inside and the outside. That stops recording. So I'll install it, and then we'll go through all the different settings, and I'll actually show you some footage. Uses 3M tape, which is really good. I'm going to go ahead and pull off the plastic off the camera lens. That's pretty cool. And you can tilt it a little bit. It's got like a swivel. So now what I'm going to do is download the app. So on your manual, That's where you download the app. I already have an S camera, so I think I already have this app. Yep, enable, open, connect to device. So right now it's connecting, it's connected. So that is actually connecting to the camera in my wife's car. The white camera. So what I need to do is go home, connect to a different dash cam right here, this one. Connected. Oh yeah, it's connected. So that's the inside. So here I can hit front. That's what my front looks like. That's my back. And then I can pick front and back. And that's what that looks like. How cool is that? So I can get my recordings, and then I can just download them from the phone. I don't have to actually get the SD card and take it out and put it back in, which is kind of a hassle, but it's doable, but it's a bit of a hassle. So anyway, it's all set up. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'll take you out on a ride. All right guys, just came back from test driving the Type S Auto, S-Type, and I'm pretty excited to see how it came out. Did some carpool, karaoke, all that fun stuff. But right now what I'm gonna do is actually get the footage. There's two ways to do it. One is through the app, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then the other that I did yesterday is actually easier. Just take out the micro SD card and just download it to your computer. So I will probably do that, but let me go ahead and show you how you would use the app to do it.
Alright guys, the audio on this part of the video didn't work, but you can see, you just kind of go in, pick the SD card, and you can see all the thumbnails, and then you just select whichever clip you want to download to your phone. And this is some footage just kind of in my backyard driving around. Blessed to be in Colorado to have these kind of views, but the top is a separate clip and the bottom is a separate clip, and you can just see the bottom. It's just really nice, crisp. That's the 4K, and then the 2.5K is the actual cab. And I saved the audio for you guys so you didn't have to hear me sing, because I was doing some carpool karaoke. But hopefully you got enough of this video to see what this camera is like. I highly recommend it. I'm putting it on my Voss switch, so I'll be able to turn it on when I'm off-roading, because I already have a dash cam that is on all the time to record, but you can definitely use it as a security camera as well. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a message, comment. It'd be awesome if you guys subscribe. You can check out my site, fergiethejku.com, and thanks for watching guys, appreciate you.